Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computer and we are going to discuss bookwork today of chapter number 2. In the previous part of the video we discussed about the chapter and in today's part we are going to discuss bookwork. Children, before discussing bookwork, let's summarize the chapter. The name of the chapter is Uses of Computers. Now children, you know computer is a very useful machine. We use computer at different places for different purpose. Like in school it is used to prepare report cards, it helps in teaching, it helps in library. In banks it is used to maintain records of customers. It is used in scientific research. It helps doctor for doing operation, for diagnosing diseases. It helps in publishing newspaper, books and magazines. In hotels it is used to maintain record for selling food items and cash received. At shops it is used to prepare bills. At airports and railway station it is used for reservation and cancellation of tickets. Like these computers are used at many more places for different purposes. Now children, let's start bookwork. First you have to open page number 1414. Multiple choice questions. Here we have to tick the correct option. First, teachers use computers to make dash. Now teachers use computers to make what? Let's see. Food, bills, report card. Teachers use computer to make report card in school. So option number C, report card, is the correct answer. Number 2, shopkeepers use computers to prepare dash. Now I told you at shops computer is used to prepare what? Bills, report card or homework. It is used to prepare bills of the customer. So option number A, bills is the correct answer. Now number 3, the computer helps in maintaining the accounts of dash. Accounts of students, accounts of customers or animals. In banks, now in banks computer helps in maintaining record of account of option number B, customers. So option number B is the correct answer. Now children, you have to open page number 1818. Tick the correct option. Again here you have to tick the correct option on page number 18. Computer helps in dash of tickets at railway station. Now at railway station computer is used for reservation, operation or sending tickets. Computer is used for reservation and cancellation of tickets. So option number A, reservation, is the correct answer. Now number 2 children, computers are used by dash for research work. Pilots, scientists, shopkeepers. Children, who do research? Shopkeepers or pilots? No, scientists do research. So option number B is the correct answer. Now children, open page number 1919. Let's see question number 1. How are computers used in your school? Now in this question we have to write the answer how we use computer in our schools. They help in the school library, fees counter and to prepare report cards. Now computer is used in school library to maintain fee records and to prepare report cards. Besides that, it is used for teaching purpose also. Next question, what do engineers design using computers? Now let's see what engineers design using computers. Cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Children, engineer designs cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Now question B, quiz. Name any one skill you learn using a computer. Now using a computer we learn many skills. Here we have to name any one. Let's see. Different languages and cooking. What we learn children? We learn different languages, we learn cooking. Who takes help of computers in doing research? Now children, who do research? I explained you just now. Who do research? Scientists. So answer is scientist. Now children, we will see how to write these hard words. Okay, first is cars, C-A-R-S, cars, aeroplanes, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E-S, and other machines, O-T-H-E-R, other, M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S, machines. Next, name any one skill you learned using a computer. What we learn? Cooking, and we can write one more, different languages. Next, who takes help of computers in doing research? Children, who takes help? Scientists, S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T-S. Now children, let's move further. I hope you all are doing this book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Now question number C, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. Children, here we have to tick the correct answer. First, dash use computers for designing buildings. Now who use computer for designing building? A, scientists, B, teachers, or C, architects. Option number C, architect, is the correct answer. So we will tick option number C. Number 2, a computer helps to withdraw money from dash. Now computer helps to withdraw money from A, CPU, ATM, or STD. It helps to withdraw money from ATM. So option number B, ATM, is the correct answer. Now third, dash use computers in preparing medical reports. Now children, who use computers in preparing medical reports? A, teachers, B, engineers, or C, doctors. Option number C, doctor, is the correct answer. Number 4, dash are messages sent through computers. Now what are the messages sent through computer called? A, items, B, emails, or C, letters. Option number B, email, is the correct answer. Now let's switch to question number D. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here children, we have to write T for the statement which is correct and F for the statement which is false. Number 1, computers do not help in the school library. Okay children, is it a correct statement? Computers do not help in the school library? No, computers help in the school library. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. Number 2, computers help in reservation of tickets. Yes, computer helps in reservation and cancellation of tickets. Where? At railway station, at airports. So this statement is correct. It is true. So children, we will write T over here. Next, third, computers do not help at shops. Computer is not used by shopkeepers at shop. No, this statement is false. It is used by shopkeepers to prepare bill of customers. So we will write F over here because this statement is false. Now question number E. Identify the places in the following pictures. Now children, you can see various pictures over here. We have to identify each picture and we have to write their correct name. Picture number first, you can see computer and you can see doctor. So this picture is of hospital. How to spell H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Now picture number 2, can you identify this picture children? Okay, you can see customers depositing money. So where we deposit money and where it is used? It is used in bank. So B-A-N-K, bank. Next, you can see girl watching and a boy dancing. So yes, at home we can listen to music, we can watch movies. So this picture is of home. We will write HOME, home over here. Next, you can see a lady giving money and it is written 50% off. Who is this person? This person is shopkeepers, and where it is used? It is used at shops by shopkeepers to prepare bills. So here is answer is SHOP, shop. You can see so many children over here. They are learning computer and a teacher teaching computer. So computer is used at school. So this is a picture of school. SCHOOL, school. Now you can see two pictures in this children, train and aeroplane. So computer is used at railway station and it is used at airport for reservation and cancellation of ticket. So railway station and airport. Now children, we will see how to write these spellings. Number 1 is hospital. H will be capital, HOSPITAL. Number 2, bank, BANK, bank. First word will be capital children. First letter will be capital. Number 3, home, HOME, home. Number 4, shop, SHOP, shop. Number 5 is school, SCHOOL, school. Last is railway station and airport, RAILWAY, railway station, STATION, railway station and airport, AIRPORT. Children, I hope you have understood how to write all the words. Now let's switch to next question. Section B, very short answer questions. First, what can be published using a computer? Now children, what can be published using a computer? Let's see the answer. Newspapers, magazines and books can be published using a computer. I told you we can publish so many things with the help of computer, like newspapers, magazines and books. Spelling of newspapers is NEWSPAPERS, newspapers. Magazines, MAGAZINES, books, BOOKS, books. Number 2, who uses computers to prepare report cards? Now children, who uses computer to prepare cards? First of all, tell me, where are computer used to prepare report cards? At school. And who uses them? Teachers. So let's see the answers. Answer, teachers use computers to prepare report cards. Who uses children? Teachers. TEACHERS, teachers. Now question B, short answer questions. Number 1, how do you use computers at your home? Now children, how do we use computer at our home? We will see. We use computers at home for playing games, watching movies, doing homework and online shopping. Now children, at home we use computer for various things like watching movies, listening music, online shopping and playing games, and we do our homework also there. So computer is used for various purpose at home. Number 2, write any 2 ways in which computers are used in hospitals. Now we have to write 2 ways in which for which computers are used in hospitals. Let's see the answer children. Number 1, for preparing medical reports, and number 2, to diagnose diseases. So at hospital, computer is used for preparing medical reports, and second, it is used to diagnose diseases. Children, I hope you must have understood this book work well and you have done this book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.